guys? Happy Thursday na morning again. Hello, hello. Guys, naka-discover ako ng aking pistol dyan. Look guys, it's been hiding for so long. IPSC version. What the heck? IPSC version? Major Mark? Major Mark Javier? Type mo. Cross arms. Pwede dito kay Mark Javier. Major Mark Javier. No? Ano sa'yo? Mabait naman si Major Mark eh. So, we'll see. December is coming. Major Mark, bagay oh. Yon. 5.1. This is it. No? Look. Yon. I just put some tactical light there, like yun. IPSC. Pwede dito kay Major Mark. Major Rinaldo Samson, type mo. Lieutenant Ephraim Beltran, Dwayne, Eli, Yon. Hi. The best. Ganda nito. Medyo haba siya ng konti. It's a little bit longer. Look. Yon. IPSC. Yon. The best. Look at the grip. Look at the grip, guys. Look at the grip. Look. Yon. Hindi dulas pag pew! Medyo Mark, bagay tayo ko sa'yo. Yun. Patikim. Just one. Yun. Yun! That's it. Baka ma-disgrace. Baka ma-damage ba? Don't dry fire. Just only once will do. Yun. This is Double Bell. Made by Double Bell. Yun. Shit. The best. Whew. Bagay ito kay Major Mark. This is Major Mark. This is good for you. Kaya lang, dapat sa meal tayo, di ba? The best. Yun. One more. Yun. Guys, come and visit me so you can have a test fire on this, okay? The best. See you guys. See you soon.